Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can increase the space between words in Microsoft Word, not between lines or paragraphs, but between words. So let me show you how it's done really quickly, guys. So for example, if you head over to home or to the home section here inside your document, you will be given access to a variety of spacing and lining options here to the right. Like for example, if I click on that arrow down icon here, I will be given the opportunity to adjust the line spacing, for example 1, or adjust it to 1.5 or 2. So you can do that if you like. However, guys, to increase the space between different words, follow my instructions. Simply click on replace here to the right next to the styles box, and what you want to do after that is delete the latest entry here where it says find what, and simply press space on your keyboard once so that Word may look for spaces in your document, and after that head over to replace with here below, but this time press the space key on your keyboard twice or 3 times or 4 times, depending on how much you would like to increase the space between your document's words. And that's basically it. Click on replace all so that the given effect is going to be applied to all words in your document. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.